The power of artificial intelligence in business. What is AI and why is it important for your business? Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a type of technology that enables machines to do things that usually require human intelligence, like learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. In simpler terms, it's like giving a computer the ability to think and make decisions like a human. Have you ever used Siri or Alexa to ask a question or play a song? Siri and Alexa are able to understand your voice and respond to your commands in a way that feels natural and intuitive. Those are examples of AI. It has the potential to make our lives easier and more efficient by automating tedious tasks and providing personalized experiences. Another example of AI is when you use Google for search. Google uses AI algorithms to analyze your keywords and present you with the most relevant results. But what are the pros and cons of AI, and what does the future hold? For example, businesses can use AI to create personalized solutions for customers that take into account their preferences, needs, and budget. This can provide a more streamlined and enjoyable experience for customers. Have you ever gone to a restaurant and felt overwhelmed by the menu? There are so many options to choose from. It's hard to know what to order. Well, imagine if the menu was personalized just for you, based on your specific tastes and dietary restrictions. That's the power of AI in creating tailor-made solutions for customers. Or let's say you run a vacation website. You have thousands of options available, different destinations, types of activities and types of accommodation. It can be overwhelming for a customer to sort through all options to find the one that's perfect for them. But with AI, you can create a personalized experience that takes into account the customer's preferences and needs, taking away the stress in searching and finding their solution. For instance, your AI algorithm could analyze the customer's search history and social media activity to determine what types of activities they enjoy and present with a tailor-made solution. The AI could also take into account the customer's budget and schedule to suggest the best options for them. So don't be afraid of AI. Use it to your advantage to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.